Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I did a video yesterday on how to fix this, and this is the bitmap version. But I took a line and to get this offset of the shadow, so I'm going to take a 2-point line. I'm going to go from there to there at that angle. You know, actually, I'm going to back up. I'm using somebody else's file. I like to, without anything selected, I'm going to change it to a red. I think it's a little bit easier to see, and I'm still using their file, so it's CMYK. I'm going to go ahead and change it to RGB, and then change it to red, and then hit OK. And then when I draw it, it'll be in a red hairline. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can get a little closer, because we want this angle. So we're going to take and one of my viewers actually said I used 5.5 and 11. Well, all I would have had to done is gone 5.5 twice on the down angle. But now, didn't mean to grab that. I meant tell you what, we'll just move that out of the way, and we'll take our line and bring it in a little closer. And then I'm going to take all three of the shadows, and I'm going to put them up there, and then but I'm going to nudge it down 2 times. So I'm going to nudge it up. I'm going to put it back where it was, nudge it down twice, put it back there, nudge it down twice. And the reason I nudge it down twice is I want to grab all of them. So I'm going to grab that one. I'm going to hold down the shift. I'm going to grab that one, keeping the shift key down. And then I'm going to go up to object and group them together, so I'll be able to grab them. Now I don't even have to put them back. But what I'm going to do now is take this line we used for an example. And this is something you'd want to do if you were trying to get that exactly where it was. And now that they're grouped together, I can take this object and move it to that point. And then, of course, take away my line. And now all the shadows are on the same dimension, or like the sun's coming from the same direction. They're all the same depth and all the same angle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.